CTM stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. So I'm looking at Castellum Incorporated. It's $1.45, 4.6% down. So where the heck are we heading next? One thing that I want to specifically mention on CTM is that obviously I'm headed towards the upside. And like I mentioned, like I'm pretty much on the bleeding edge to put a BE on, which I already is on. But on the way up, I began being bullish on CTM right here in this video. At the time, I was expecting the price to come back to 45 cents. It was like 2 months ago. And guess what happened? The price came before. I mean, this is where we opened the next day, and then we just demolished the highs of around 200%. More than 200, honestly. That's a decent... How much is this? Yeah, 500% increase in price. Then I got one loss. And here, this is like a pending ticker. So yeah, very open-minded for more buys as long as the rules are met though. And if you want to make more money in a simple way in just weeks, click the first link in the description. There is a lot of sauce.